Welcome to my channel, folks. Ball Cap Casey. Just wanted to have a little introduction here. As I was on this video, as I was editing, I was like, oh, I gotta have some kind of introduction to this video. It's early morning, so excuse my voice. I haven't had any coffee yet. But on this video you're about to watch, hopefully you guys watch it. It was recommended by a friend, so I went there and it looked nice on their Facebook page. It's called the Orchid Gardens Resort Complex in San Fernando, Pampanga. Bunch of lights, and they got the theme going on right now, the Winter Wonderland theme. We got there, and unfortunately it was raining, but right, you got to do things in the rain in life. I'm from Washington State in the U.S., and it rains a lot. If you never did anything in the rain, you never do anything at all. That makes sense? What I'm trying to say is we had a good time in the rain. Bunch of lights and characters there. And it was funny because upon entering I swear I looked at the price. It said 50 pesos per head. Oh, not even $1. That's cool. Go in there and look at the lights and take a lot of pictures. But as I got up to the gate, the one guy is saying 1,000 pesos. I thought, 1,000 what? 1,000 pesos? I was like, okay, whatever. I paid for it. And I walked in about 10 steps. I was doing a little video. The guy from the gate goes, excuse me, sir. We made a mistake. We thought you were with the 20 people that were walking in there. There was a bus load of kids and parents, I guess, 20 of them. And they saw me walk up at the same time. And I guess they thought I was like the tour guide or the guy in charge, the sugar daddy or something. And paying for everybody. That might be another video. But I was on a budget that day. And didn't pay for everybody. But anyway, there's some honest people, what I'm saying. He said, we made a mistake, sir. It's only 50 pesos per head. We thought you were paying for all the group of 20 people. I was just laughing as I walked back to the gate, and everyone else was laughing too. So they gave me my 900 pesos back, which is good. So nice. See, lots of honest people out there. Most people are honest. Anyway, I would recommend that place. If you guys are in Pampanga, want to take somebody, go see some lights. Maybe during like Valentine's, they might have a hearts, different themes, I'm saying. Now it's Christmas. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoy the video. My voice, I've already lost my voice. I'm walking here to get breakfast. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoy the video. Thank you for watching. We'll see you guys next time. Enjoy. The Orchid Gardens, folks. Oh, the lights aren't even on the castle. There's a nice castle back there. It's supposed to be all lit up. All right, folks, let's see. The pictures looked really amazing, of course, on the website. Let's go see. There's a lot of people standing over here. So let's see what's going on. Ella, where are you? Or she left me. I don't blame her. Huh. Where are you, Ella?
What the heck?
Oh, there you are. You're so tiny. So we got some candy canes. Have to line up here. These guys are going in. You got some nice looking balloons there. There we go. Decorated candy stripes on the palm trees. What lane? Sticker booth. I don't know. Is this way to the right or left? How much? There we go. They're walking in the Winter Wonderland. All the kids are excited.
Sakto 20 po. 1,000.
1,000 po.
How much is it? 1,000?
Yung ba'y kulang?
Alright.
Okay kayo.
Toy soldiers. There we go, guys. All the toy little soldiers, people taking pictures. This is pretty, right? You're gonna go to the North Pole. Whoa, we came a long ways. Okay, well, there's definitely some honest people. And again, most people are honest. This guy here at this Winter Wonderland, Orchid Gardens, was honest. I walked through, and me and Ella, and he goes, 1,000 pesos. Like, 1,000 pesos? How much is it for each? And he said 50. I was like, yeah, okay, so that's 100. And he said, another guy said 1,000. I thought maybe the guy said 50. And he said, you mean 500 per person? The guy said, you owe 1,000. So I gave him 1,000 pesos. I walked about 10 steps in here and doing a video, and he said, oh, excuse me, sir. You're just here with you and the other gal, right? I said, yeah. Oh, we thought you walked in here, you paid for 20 people. I was like, no. Just me and this other gal. So it was a 50 pesos each. So under $1 each to get in here. So here we go, guys. I went to Wonderland. Now I feel really good. I'm surrounded by honest people. Frosty the Snowman. Is that Frosty the Snowman here in the Philippines? It's cold in here. Ooh. What I'm walking on. This. Oh, wow, yeah. Nice little place to bring all the kids and your family. There we go. We got a little light sprinkle rain going on here. Nice castle. This is the one we saw on the website here. And they have some toy soldiers here. There we go. It says, oh, here's another restaurant up in here, Ella. Cute little place, huh? So you can come inside here and eat, I'm not sure, Kapampang Pangan cuisine. All right, looks yummy. I already ate, filled my belly. Cooking something over there. Right here, Ella, we got fairies and stuff. Hi, elves, right? It's the tip box. I need a tip. All right, you look nice. Right here, who's this? Here in the Philippines. Want to take a picture with them, Ella? Oh, I like this gold dress here. Oh, we got Spider-Man over there. How about this one right here? Take a picture. Come on. The kids would love this one. Oh, it's a spot. Gave her a nice tip in there, and she gave me a big wet kiss.
Whoa, it's okay. Spider-Man. Look at all the kids having fun. That's what it's all about. There's the hotel I'm staying at tonight, guys. Hey, how you doing, buddy? Whoa! There we go. This place is called the Orchid. What is it? Orchid Resort, and it's starting to come down a little bit harder, the rain, unfortunately. Come here, it's snowing over here. Whoa, it's a transformer. Merry Christmas. Bumblebee, right? I'm gonna go Yang ice cream. There you go. Get a picture with what's this, Iron Man, right? You need an umbrella. Do they sell umbrellas over here? Hello, Iron Man. Looking good. Right here. This is here. We got some snow over here. Whoa! Look at the Philippines, folks. Man, I need to wash my feet. Go wash my feet. Having fun? Come here, look, come here. It's snowing on us here in the Philippines. I was reading on it. It's a new place, Tucson Cafe. Nectar of the God. You want to get a coffee? You want to get a coffee? Let's go get a coffee. This is a cute little place for under a buck. 50 pesos. Unless you go in with a group of 20, they'll charge you. Nice flowers, huh? Oh, no food or drinks outside. We want to go walk around with our coffee. I love Toba. What were they doing in the back there? They were behind the bushes back there, I think. Spider-Man was having fun with Wonder Woman, or who was that? Oh, sorry. I got something on my nose here. Can you see? Man, it's snowing in the Philippines. Can you believe that? Global warming, baby. Where's the global warming? Climate change. All kinds of people hanging out here. Got Santa, got all kinds of characters down there. Got zebras walking around in front of me. Got candy canes. Looks like we got a manger over here, huh? Go. Got raindrops falling on my head. But I'm from Washington State. I'm used to it. Got baby Jesus in here. All right, having a good time here at Orchid Gardens Resort. Bunch of people waiting to take pictures. Good times here, folks. Good times, even in the rain. Just make sure when you go through the gate, you're paying just for yourself and whoever. Or if you want to pay for 20 people, that's fine too. There we go, There we go, folks. We're all scared of the rain, so we're all under the cover here. Some of the lights went off down there. Brown out. Go, we got the big shoe, folks. All right, I'm gonna sit on Santa's lap and ask him for what kind of gift can I ask Santa for, folks? Another ball cap? Because look, I lost my ball cap. Santa, I'm looking for a ball cap, Santa. Right here. Did you ask Santa? What did you ask Santa for? What did you ask Santa for? Surprise? There we go. The snow stopped. Whew. Let's go in there and just take a big slide. Slide into home. Having a good time here, guys. Looking at all the lights. Oh, we can buy some hot dogs and stuff here, folks. Some, all the vendors. Okay, we have a bunch of vendors. There we go, the rainy day experience at the Orchid Gardens Resort here in San Fernando, Pampanga. Where'd all the princesses and go and stuff? They only come out every hour or something? Oh, it's not raining now. Okay, time to go home. Nice little time. So you guys are in Pampanga with your family, your sweetheart, or whoever. By yourself if you want. Enjoy some lights. This is the Winter Wonderland, so I think they decorate it for different parts of the season. Of course, Christmas is coming up a couple months away still, but actually, yeah, only actually about a month and a half away. There's a 7-Eleven here also. Actually, I'm gonna go get me a coffee in there, iced coffee. But yeah, nice little, it was about 40-minute taxi ride from Walking Street there in Angeles City to this place here.